This matter when it be say if woman tell e husband say I no want smoke with day again, after make we tear paper, make you go your way and then make I go my way. The matter don't they cause trouble where it don't they cause commotion for all social media platform. Alright my people, the matter when it be say carry me come today na be this matter of this Ghanaian pastor when it be say e wife tell am say make we tear paper, make you go your way and then make I go my way. Anyways my lovely people, before we continue this matter, it's your favorite girl again, Easy, and you all are welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for always coming back to support your girl. I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across my videos, you are highly welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit on the red button, subscribe. And there is a little bell by the side, the essence of that base, for you to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright my people, so this man when he be saying on the look so, the one when he be say he wear red and black, that's man a Ghanaian pastor, and then he and his wife they live for Obodo Ibo. So right now his wife can go meet and tell and say afa make we tear paper, make you go your way and then make I go my way. Right now the man can say no, we no go fit tear this paper because me and you, we need to date together. And then my people, these people when be so now they look so Nagania, now they speak. So as I can't tell walk around, go meet my Ghana aproko them, they can't translate and give me say waiting them they talk now be say the man and the woman, say two of them get children together. And then my people una know say for Obodo Ibo, if man and woman want tear paper, the man need to sign some papers. You need to sign some papers, say yes, I go to give the children money every time, I go to take care of the children, I go to do some other things for the children. And then this man now contact say he no go fit dey do all those kind things, say the money too much, say it too cost, say the money too big, say he no go fit at all. And then as a matter of fact, the paper when it be say they say make him sign, say he no go fit sign that paper at all because he no go fit take all the responsibilities when it be say then the rights put for that paper. So as now you see for the video for the background, so now go see say the man then they talk, and then people still they follow the man they talk, say you need to sign this paper. Since to be say you and your woman una want tear paper, yes, as now they tear the paper, so you also need to sign another paper, say you go take care of the children because you know if you just leave all the responsibilities for only the woman to the carry her up and down. So my people, now what can happen now be done in the process when it be said that they talk, now the man can begin to threaten a wife. He can't they threaten a wife, they talk all sort of things, and then my people know say something like this don't happen before when it be say one Ghanaian pastor when it be say he and his wife they Obodo Ibo, the man come they threaten his wife, and then before you know he can't give his wife RIP. So as now they see for this video, so me believe say that is why the woman the video the man, so that in case anything happen, they go still get evidence say yes, the man don't they threaten the woman before. And then me believe say this video made them not take unlikely because as the pastor himself don't begin to threaten the woman based on say he no one signed the paper because of the responsibilities, he no just good at all. So my people, wait see una think about this video, wait see una think about this matter. And then my Ghana people, then my Ghana friends, I beg if una dey listen to this video, everything when he be say he did this video no be I understand. Person when he be say he explained for me, he just explain some for me, no be all, no be explain for me. Okay, I beg mokuna just explain that for me. If you know say you dey understand Ghana, make you explain that for me on what see you see say that it suck. Okay my lovely people, mokuna watch the video and then see, and mokuna no also forget to comment below and wait till una think about this video. Smash the like button for your girl. See you all on my next video.
They were hand.
Wakasa worry, no wakasa won't know me. Wakasa won't
Don't worry.
You came with an agenda, but God is with us. Nyankopon will truly be there. He will judge between you and us after everything. Hey, Raduka overhaul. There's God.
They also say I know what was it called cancer. Also one sign.
Baby, any papers in the kitchen?
Papers nearly.
What's the sign we? We must sign.
Any papers in here? I also called you a lawyer.
They catch them on there. I'm a money now. What you say? You these people can't push me to sign anything.
We're not pushing.
Monfa, no credit, equine. So.
Divorce now, generation. And it's no crack answer.
Divorce, I don't have the right to file divorce. You have to marry.
You don't have rights.
I have the right. What the treatment? I wouldn't treat me. What if you know?
You don't care.
Okay. You know you had a wife that she never signed it.
A divorce. Oh, send a papers in order corner. Or stop for 2 transfers.
So what is
the way you these people push me?
What is this? So why did you say it's with the lawyer? Oh, this is the original one. This is the original one with the.
Say original.
I sacrificed everything.
No. Yeah, the sister Betty there, and it was 2 papers in the mouth.
No.
Where is the other one?
Okay, where is the envelope?
This is we gave 2 of this.
I don't trust.
This where the way because where me project. This is where I need your signature.
A warrior. I posted everything.
No, I can't so won't mean for so many and my main sign.
Okay.
Copy said, the amene wokano, ebe we pay.
Okay.
Won't mean for so many 7 Sunday. Because one first can mommy in bulk.
Mama,
I don't see in installments.
So, and I mean to me commit me home. No one saw me can't tell me be chantro. So it's
I propose 500.
I propose 500. And also to meet you.
You say you're gonna get back to us.
And you get back.
You say you get back. Some enforcement.
So why you say
that
is not for you? Huh? We agreement said project is
not for you.
You don't just hear.
No. So what? So what? I'm telling you many times. Send me a room and had a group.
Okay. And if a green card, you went in a right. And if a green card, you might.
Okay, so
green card, you might.
Okay.
Green card. Dinner was one of the mouth.
Oh.
Say you would think I was one of the mouth.
This is your agenda.
That is why I came here. My foot. With the American.
God will have it. God will have it. God charge. Papa, what do you mean about bag? Yes, I bet police to see him out.
Call police.
I will call the
I want you to call police.
We will call the cops on you.
Mama can't tell. Let's hear Bibi. Mama can't tell. Let's hear Bibi.
Okay, we are listening.
Again, why dear who dear more yummy who
you are still married. I have God in me. I have God in me. God is our witness. You would die before you leave this country.